Riria ritwa ria Reverend Timothy Njoya riagwetwo aingi mamuririkanaga akihurwo hatari tha igeria-ini riake ria kuruira demokrasia ya ciama nyingi bururi-ini.
3, 2.
Umuthi ni ageire na mweke wa kuruguria ibuku riake rioikaine ta We the People rirataririria ruo runene ruria agereire akienda wiathi uyu oro hamwe na gucenjio gwa katiba.
We are dedicating a toolbox with spanners. If you want to open people's brains, use this book. If you want to tighten people whose nuts have gone loose, use this book. If you want to open people's hearts, use this book.
When you spoke 30 years ago about constitutional change and about a new constitution, we know that we are living in a dispensation of a new constitution. We know that you have spoken prophetically about things that have happened 10 years later, 20 years later, 30 years later.
Ni ibuku rigathiriirio ni aingi rikirikana gutariria na kinyi fata wa gutugiria kihoto kia uturo wa mundu.
There is a ruthless criticism of various religious leaders, and also he criticizes a lot of us.
Aria matiganite uruguria-ini uyu makigathiriria ucamba wa Njoya ta gikiro gitakariganira historia-ini ya bururi.
People of Reverend Njoya's caliber are few. Those are the people who search and pursue truth and justice. These are the type of people who propel themselves into dangerous waters, into storms and hurricanes, and even dare to walk over the minefields of politics.
Njoya ni umwe wa aria mana ikio kinya hatari cira hindi ya wathani wa koigi uterwo. No na kuri uguo athomi mekubatarikana gweterera kuigira na kofi ya ibuku riri kuona ati ona thengia wario gukinya gicukiro-ini kia Mombatha wiki 6 hituku ibuku riri ritiri rirahitukio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Monica Kagoni.